Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson isn't just a wrestling legend and Hollywood star, he's also a car lover with one of the most impressive garages in the celebrity world. Let's take a quick look at his top 5 rides. First up, the Pagani Huayra, worth over $2.6 million. This Italian hypercar is a masterpiece of speed and design, with a V12 engine that rockets from 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds. Next, his favorite daily driver, a custom Ford F-150 pickup. Built with lifted suspension, oversized tires, and blacked-out details, it's rugged, powerful, and perfectly suited for The Rock's massive frame. For pure luxury, there's the Rolls-Royce Wraith. Sleek, elegant, and loaded with handcrafted interiors, it's his go-to car for Hollywood premieres and red carpets. Then comes the Lamborghini Huracan, a fiery red supercar with a roaring V10 engine. The Rock admits it feels a little small for him, but it delivers unmatched speed and excitement. And finally, the Plymouth Prowler, a retro hot rod with a bold purple finish and exposed wheels. It may not be the most expensive, but it's unique, stylish, and stands out just like The Rock himself. From hypercars to muscle trucks, The Rock's garage shows off every side of his personality: powerful, classy, and unforgettable.